Afternoon. In this video, I'll talk about the variables which are used in the programming of a microcontroller. There are different types of variables, and you'll learn how to define these variables while writing the program in flow code. Now, what is a variable? A variable is a way of storing values within a program, and the variables are used to hold data from sensors, results of calculations, and variable can be a variable, a varying number, or it could be a fixed number but stored in a variable. Now, there are different types of variables in each microcontroller according to its capacity. The total types variables which are used in all the microcontrollers are 8. So to define you what a variable is, or imagine to help you imagine, variable is a kind of a box. You give a name to a box and you decide what to store in that box. First, you decide which type of box and what should be the size of a box. Okay, and then what you want to store in that box, you just want to store 0 or 1, or you want to store an integer number or a decimal number, or you want to store only positive integers or negative also, how big the integer is, and do you want to store just the alphabets or you want to store a complete sentence. So if you want to store just 0 or 1, then how many bits you would need to store this information? Just 1. Okay, so these are the types of variables: Boolean, character, byte, integer, word, float, long, ulong, double, and string. For us, the types which are of interest, I'll tell you, are the Boolean, character, byte, and string. Mostly, these 4 types you are going to use in your programs. Now, how to use a variable? First, you have to define a variable. So, what do you define? You define the type of data the variable will hold, and then you are going to allocate it a name. And you set an initial value. This is optional. For example, within a flow code program, lightup can be a variable which will hold byte type data and is set to a value of 0 initially. Lightup is the name, byte is the type, and 0 is the initial value. Now, the number which is stored in this particular box, which is named as lightup, and once that is sent to the output port, it's going to light up the LEDs. What number you are going to store? For example, if you're storing number 5, so number 5 in binary is 0101. 00000101. I'm only talking about the LSB, least significant bit, byte bits. So wherever there is 1, the light will lit up. LEDs will lit up. In case if you're sending number 255, which is 11111111 in binary, then all the 8 LEDs will light up. Now we'll see in the flow code how to do that. Let's start a new program.